Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to speak about this car Jeep Compass. I am owning this car from past 6 months. This is 2025 model. In my previous video I have made reviewed about features of this car. In the current video I am going to talk about the comfort of this car. In this video I am going to speak about comfort, driving comfort, and what I liked in this car and what I disliked. When it comes to driving comfort, this car is very good. Whether it's highway or any curvy roads in the ghats or in the hill stations, the power and everything is good. The first thing I liked about this car is the steering. It gives a lot of confidence while driving. And this car is manual, and when it comes to suspension, it works very nicely. It takes potholes very smoothly. Only at lower speed, when road is not that good, only in that case I feel suspension is bit stiff. Apart from that, while driving on highway in triple digits, this gives more confidence. And you feel like drive more when you are on the highway, when there is moderate traffic or no traffic, because the confidence and the feel of safety this car gives, right, that is to next level. And the reason behind why I have chose this car is, previously I owned Fiat. That engine I really loved it, the diesel engine. And after that I have tried this car. I really liked it, the build quality, the drive quality, everything. Then I made my mindset to buy this car. And apart from this, I just didn't go blindly for this car. I looked for the competitions, like all are good, but always we should like for which car suits for our like and our usage. Okay, I have tried Harrier, XUV 700, and actually I am lover of sedan. I love sedans. Okay, the two I like a lot Honda City, but because of Indian roads conditions and unexpected road closures and off-roading, I didn't want to take risk. That's the reason I bought Jeep Compass. Okay, and apart from this, I have checked Skoda Kodiaq also. That car is also very luxurious and very comfortable, but it was not under my budget and my maintenance cost also. That's the reason I went with Jeep. Jeep is also really a tough car. I have felt it since I am using it from past 6 months. I have tested it in off-road also. The suspension is next level. The smoothness, the confidence, the comfort, everything is very nice, phenomenal. If you are planning to buy this car, I have some suggestions. Not only for this car, if you are buying any car, first you have to check whether the car suits you or not. Just don't go with the design, or just don't go blindly with engine, because everything should be balanced. What you need is a car, because we cannot change it very often. My first suggestion is the practicality. What kind of usage you are going to do. For example, my hometown is different, my working town is different. Often I travel to my hometown and working town. Okay, in that case, Jeep is very comfortable for me. If there is kind of off-road situation, Jeep takes you there also. It's like a balance. For me, Jeep is like balance for highway road also and bit of rough terrains also. Okay, this model is not 4x4. This is 2x4 only, manual. I didn't feel any kind of difficulties in the rough terrains. I didn't take this car to pure for class 4 terrains because it's really not practical. That's the reason I didn't take it anywhere in 4 class 4. I bought 2 class 4 according to my usage. It's not like we have to buy 4 class 4. 2 class 4 is serving all my needs. This is enough. Okay, based on our practicality, we should think about the car. Okay, this is what I wanted to explain about this car. This car is very comfort, no doubt in that. And apart from that, dislikes in my list are, first is service centers. There are no more service centers in Karnataka, especially. If you are buying this car and if you are staying outside of Bangalore, for sure in Karnataka for service you have to come to Bangalore itself or nearby any other service stations. This is one of the biggest problem if you have planned to buy Jeep. And the next is service cost is okay. It's I won't say it's too costly or too low also. It depends. If there is any parts replacement comes, it's a hefty, no doubt in that. Regular service, I'm okay with that. That's the one thing. And the next thing is, before buying, you guys have to decide whether you have to buy manual or automatic. Okay, if you are going to buy this Jeep Compass for any elderly person, okay, or someone who doesn't like to feel the tightness of the clutch, because when it comes to traffic, okay, the clutch is heavy side only. For sure you will feel pain in your leg if you have stuck in traffic when you are driving manual. If your usage is more towards city life, you have to go with automatic. Otherwise, for sure, if you are ready to take the pain, then only you have to go for manual. Otherwise, automatic is the best option. If your lifestyle is towards highway drives, then only go with manual. Okay, if you don't like use heavy clutch kind of cars, you have to go for automatic. When it comes to 4x4, you guys have to decide it. It depends on your lifestyle, the usage and all. And when it comes to body noise, okay, it has cabin noises. Okay, it comes from steering wheel and switches, ceiling switches, where sunroof and light controls are there, cabin light controls. There are cabin noise. See, being such a premium SUV with such noises, right, it doesn't really feel good. And when I take these complaints to service station, okay, because even they are helpless, they will tell, they will manage, they will do something, okay, but they will not give you assurance like it will go. But sometimes what I feel is, even I cannot force them, because it's not like something went wrong, they can fix it. No, the build is like that only. In this three spoke steering wheel, there is noise, okay, and in the switches there are such kind of noise, cabin noises are there. I really didn't like it. With this premium car, premium segment car, that kind of noises really feels very bad. Okay, apart from this, I really don't have much things to explain. The car really drives well. I really like it. Always I think about where to take my Jeep outside. Camera quality could have been better. I don't say it bad, but still, for this price, it should have been better. If you guys have any comments, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.